In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal Squarespace link into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. In this example, the button lives on my WordPress demo page. The page I want to send people to is a Squarespace portfolio gallery. So the WordPress page controls the button, and the Squarespace page is where the visitor lands. First, I'll open the Squarespace gallery page in a new tab. This is the regular destination link. I'll copy it from the address bar so I can use it when I build the tracking link in ClickMagick. Now I'll go into ClickMagick and add a new tracking link. For the name, I'll use Squarespace Portfolio Demo. Then I'll paste the Squarespace link as the destination page. Once that's entered, I'll save the link. ClickMagick creates a new tracking link. I'll copy it, then return to the WordPress editor. Next, I'll select the Squarespace button and replace the old destination link with the ClickMagick tracking link. To the visitor, the button still works the same way. They click once and land on the same portfolio page. But now, ClickMagick records the click before sending the visitor to the destination. I'll save the change and open the live demo page. Now I'll click the Squarespace button. The same portfolio gallery loads, which confirms the link is working. Now I'll go back to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. Here I can see how many clicks this Squarespace link gets.
The main table shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment.
When I open the click details, I can also see the clicks per day chart, link view, refer, sub ID 1, whether the click was unique, the IP address, country flag, and timestamp. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.